In this video, I'll show you how you can use Runbooks. Runbooks can be used against your tenant, groups, users, and devices. First, head on over to the Runbook Jobs tab. Here you'll see runbooks that you previously executed, runbooks that you've scheduled, and schedules. In order to create a scheduled job, we'll need to ensure you've created a schedule. As you can see, I don't have a schedule at the moment. When there are no schedules, the Create Default Schedules button will appear. Alternatively, you can click New Schedule if you'd like to choose your own. The default schedules will provide you with a daily, hourly, monthly, and weekly schedule. For this scheduled job, I'm going to list inactive users. Head on over to your tenant page. Select Runbooks and select List Inactive Users. Click on Schedule, and here we can select our scheduling option. As you can see, these are the schedules we've created earlier. In this case, I'm going to choose the monthly option. Fill in the Runbook parameters as required, and then press Schedule. Once that is done, head on back to the Runbook Jobs tab. Select Scheduled Jobs, and you'll be able to see the job you've scheduled. If you no longer want your scheduled job, just click Delete. For more information, head on over to RealmJoin.com.